The Bitcoin dominance chart shows that Bitcoin is killing it. Bitcoin, the alpha, is making us smart. We know the Fed or the SEC is against cryptocurrency, and they are attacking cryptocurrency like hard or Binance and Coinbase lawsuit and other coins are out there that the SEC has deemed securities. And this has caused many exchanges out there to want to delist most of these tokens like Robinhood. And we saw that after Robinhood decided to delist most of his token, it caused a massive sellout in the market and plunged most of this price, most of the price of most tokens are out there to plunge the downside. And ever since, most investors have been wondering what is the right time to actually buy. What should they do? Is it the time for them to actually get out from all the altcoins, or for them to accumulate these altcoins? So today I'm gonna be sharing you guys exactly what I'm gonna be doing this week, because I think looking at Bitcoin dominance and looking at also the chart of Bitcoin is a clear sign that we are gonna see something amazing the coming week, or maybe this month. And I want you guys who are part of this platform to be prepared or to be ready when this happens. If say you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, you are still watching this video, or you have been watching my platform for a long time now, then you want to go right now and smash that subscribe button, because yeah, I create content that will help you make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. I mean, like, make you money investing in cryptocurrency. So you want to be part of this platform, and if you want to be part of my community as well, the links are found below this video. Go there and join my community, because we are here to make money. We are here to take advantage of the market, and you want to join us, then feel free. Having said that, guys, let me just dive right away. So we analyze this. This is pretty cool, guys, because I believe most of you who are part of my community, you are investing more in different altcoins, and you want to know what you should be doing right now, and like what is the best way or what the best coins to buy right now. Before we go there, let's look at the fear and greed index so we can see what is going on here. We can see from 50 to 49, so it means that it's going towards the fear, fear, let's say fear zone, fearful zone, or greed zone, not greed zone, fear zone. But like, it's fascinating that despite what is going on in the market, we are still at 47. That means where we were back then at 52 or 69, and now we are around, let's say, 50, 47. That means investors, who are holding Bitcoin doesn't actually care on what is going on with, the Fed trying to attack crypto, attacking most crypto project out there. I think Bitcoiners or those who are holding Bitcoin doesn't actually care. We're looking at this indicator here, and if say we go to Banter Bubble, we're gonna see also that so much going on in the market. Like when it comes to different coins out there, this is today. Actually, we are seeing some recovering. Aptos, OP, Atom, Pause. Actually, Pause, PLX is down 7%. We see Ada is recovering. Gala, I mean, it's good to see some green in the market, right? Because we have been seeing like red, red, red. Well, guys, this Banter Bubble is on all some platform is the same as crypto bubbles, but this time around they have made it more advanced and include socials where that you can actually click on the bubble and you will see what is going on with that project, why it's pumping. They have charts and performance there. They also have exchange where you can go and buy. So if say you look at the bubble here, you can get more information from holders or investors of that project to know what is actually going on with the project. So like Atom, you can see they are chatting here, and if you want to look at the chart, you can click on this. You'll see the chart of Atom. You want to look at the exchanges where you can buy Atom. You're going to see, and also there's an about section of what Atom is all about. So I think these two alone is awesome. I love what they have done with like let's say a hybrid of crypto bubble. Yeah, this is a hybrid version of crypto bubble. So looking at the market right now, I want to say there's somewhat sort of recovery, or some sort of recovery in the market. And those of you who are holding different coins like maybe Dogecoin, Flokino, Quant, Co, and I mean many of these altcoins that are the Feds consider as securities. You might be wondering like what to do, guys. Before we dive there, you see, BNB is on is on pressure. BNB is actually like going down. I mean, will this token actually survive? I don't know if the Binance coin will survive this move here. You see, Binance has been moving like downward recently. This is the 30-minute time frame. You can see that if let me just try to bring zoom out a little bit so you can see where Binance have gone towards. Binance have gone towards to like 222 per token. This is really an attack on Binance. I mean, well, let's see if the Binance will survive. And if say we look at the higher time frame, we're gonna see that where Binance is at this point in time is really is really tricky, guys. If you see Binance break this zone, you wanna get out from all your altcoins. That if you see Binance break this area, this support here, then you should get out from all your altcoins. This is a crucial zone for Binance. What we want to see here right now is pullback to the upside, but if not, and Binance break, then we're going to see massive sell pressure right towards around $50 for Binance, or around let's say $70, let's say 100 or $75, $50, something like that per BNB. So I think this is an awesome area to buy BNB. Like, guys, don't be fearful when it's what is going on in the market. Just monitor BNB, and like what I'm doing right now. At this point, at this price point, I'm actually buying BNB gradually, not like I shouldn't say aggressively, but I'm being cautious when I buy BNB. So let me show you guys why I'm doing that. Binance is a good platform. Binance is really one of the top big exchanges out there, and Binance is not going anywhere. Well, the US might attack Binance in the USA, but Binance is so big to fail right in the world. And this has made me to realize that the Binance token is gonna be a good utility token on the Binance platform, except the Feds collaborate with all other regulators around the world to shut down Binance before we can say, yeah, that's going to be the case. I don't think that's going to be the case in most countries who look at crypto as, like most countries except the USA, look at crypto as a way out for them to build something sustainable for themselves, and also to like be advanced in technology at one point, to compare with the states, or yeah, something like that. So I think what is going on in the States, most countries are happy, or most continents are happy to see it, and they want to take advantage of that. Like, that's why you see when China banned crypto in China, most miners flew to China to the United States, and now we are seeing that they are attacking altcoins. Let me say altcoins in general. They don't want altcoins in the state. They don't want anyone to trade these altcoins that are, like, should I say, one of the top altcoins out there, and this is gonna cause massive sellout, and yeah, we're gonna bring the price. And we are already seeing what is going on in the market. So I think a project like Binance is something you want to look at. Like, look at this line, this trend line like Julia. If you want to like pay attention to it, this is when you can start, looking when to get in or get out or buy more. If you see Binance like actually break this trend line, then we can see it go to retest different areas here. So I think um it's pretty good for us to see that Binance at one point is going to like survive. So this is one of the things I'm going to be doing. Like, what I'm doing, like, I'm monitoring this project like Binance, and if say I see some breakout to the downside, I'm going to start looking at more opportunity to buy. Because when you look at Binance, when you zoom out, guys, you look at Binance long term, wow, you cannot deny the fact that there's so much profit that you can make here if say the price goes to the downside. Let's measure it from that. Let's measure like how much you can make. Let's see how many percent. Let me measure this right now. Wow, that's awesome. Look at the, if say we saw an upward movement, you can see wow, this is gonna be awesome, guys. No, 198% to the upside. This is cool. So, well, let me not say to that where it came from. Let me just say, if the price gets back to where it was, let's say 445, or let me just put it to, let's say, to 400, then that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be cool for you guys. 24%. So if you trade this 24% of what, guys, that's gonna be an amazing profit for you. Now, BNB is just one. I'm looking at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, Big Daddy, and looking at this chart here on BTC, it tells me that, like, on the weekly time frame, we still have a buy signal here on BTC. Right? You can see BTC is still around this trend line that I drew here, meaning we can either see a bounce back to the upside, or we're gonna see a bounce right down to around $22,000. We can see that it can happen, because if still we lose this trend on the weekly time frame, then that's where we can go. We can go right back to let's say 19, yeah, around 20,000, 19,000, or 4,000. Yeah, most people are calling 24,000, but I think if say we lose that trend, we can go right down to around 21,000, 20,000, or 19,000. That's going to be where we can head towards. But if say we keep holding this zone and keep moving sideways to the upside, then I think Bitcoin is going to do well. And if I look at the market, I don't think actually there's a reason why Bitcoin shouldn't do well. Bitcoin should do well, because I showed you guys the dominance of Bitcoin. It seems as if most investors are fleeing to Bitcoin as a safe haven, right? Because you can see most of these coins have been crushed, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are still strong. So what I'm doing this week, guys, I'm looking at Bitcoin, on the lower time frame, to see, like, the daily, what is going on with the price of Bitcoin. I want to see, okay, if say we are seeing some moves here with Bitcoin, what's going on, and if say I see clear movement with Bitcoin, like to the upside, then I want to, okay, then most of the altcoins that are moving, that are like that have been going down recently, then we can actually, or I can actually accumulate more long term. But as of now, I'm looking at a way to trade, not to buy long time, not long term. Oh, yeah, I'm looking at a way to actually accumulate right now. My long-term portfolio, not Bitcoin, per se, because Bitcoin is kind of like the currency where I have my crypto, and I don't consider me trading Bitcoin. I just consider my money being in Bitcoin, while I trade other altcoins with Bitcoin. So I look at altcoins that can outperform Bitcoin at any given period in time, every week or every month. Then I can pay them against Bitcoin, to accumulate more Bitcoin. Now, if say we look at the lower time frame, so let's see, if say we got some data here. Let me change this to, I want to go to, actually, let me change the chart, so can go to something different. I have many charts, many setup here. So let's go to one of my setups, so you can see, yeah, we can get more data as to what we might be expecting. Now, guys, this is Gala. Gala is one of the tokens that I am actually like this trade already on Gala, and I have this target. And the target is where Gala, where we started seeing this dip, right? You can see here. I think we're gonna see some recovery for Gala, and not only Gala, there are many other coins out there. I'm gonna come to Gala. Let's go back to Bitcoin, so we can see this first. So you can see Bitcoin has been trying to make its way up towards where it started, and we have been seeing like rejection. But we saw that, or we can see that there's a trend line that Bitcoin is moving, like clear trend line that Bitcoin don't want to break. So if see you follow this trend line, you're gonna see that actually Bitcoin is moving sideways to the upside, like gradually, because we are trying to see, look at this week here. This we try to go downward, but we're seeing more buying pressure, meaning we might come right to like to this area where Bitcoin, like we started seeing this SEC attack on Binance and Coinbase. So I think Bitcoin will try to break this area, and if the Bitcoin doesn't break this area, you're gonna go towards the 26,600 area. I think we're gonna see Bitcoin go there, and if the Bitcoin doesn't break this area and start trading above, then we might now start seeing Bitcoin going down towards where I mentioned, or towards what most people are calling that Bitcoin might go to, I think, 24,000 or 20,000 or 19,000. In that case, guys, you want to leave all altcoins, because when you look at now, like let's say for example, Gala. Let me go to Gala so I can show you guys what um I want you guys to understand here. So when you look at Gala right now, you're gonna see that with this token like Gala, look at the upside, guys. If say Gala fails, if the price fails to break to the upside, like if price refuse that, okay, if price is not breaking. I think I did a video, I think that was yesterday, but I don't think, yeah, I think that was yesterday or 2 days ago, and I said we're gonna expect Gala to come to this area, no doubt. Gala will come here, and if say Gala comes there, you want to be like this area. Like, I don't know why this is not joining right now. Each time I want to do a show, that's what happened. Yeah. Okay. So we should expect Gala to come there. And if say Gala doesn't break this resistance, yeah, where we started seeing this fallout, then you want to get out from all your altcoins or all the other altcoins that you are holding. I mean, it's the same with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't succeed to break that area, then you are selling everything, because right now you want to see that if say we see rejection here, then this is what we might expect to happen. The price will come here, like will go up here and fall to the downside. Let me refresh this, guys. I don't know why this is taking some time to let's refresh this so I can actually do this properly. Okay, now I think let's do this now. So price can do this like this. Price can move like this. I showed you guys yesterday. Now I have this here. So price can go upside to the upside, then if say it doesn't break that level, then it'll come right down, And I think that's what will happen. I think we're gonna see price come towards this area, yeah, this zone here. We're gonna see price come back there, and that's where I think we're gonna see like if so it doesn't see a pullback, then it will be difficult for those of you who are holding these tokens, because you need to sell everything. I mean, what I mean to say is, guys, if say price doesn't break this area here, then sell everything. Sell everything. Sell. you know, because you don't want to be in altcoins when the big daddy is going down. We have seen that when Bitcoin goes down about 5%, other altcoins are going down like 1,000%. Of course, not 1,000%, but the point here is that if say you want to actually make profit, then you should have your coins in Bitcoin and trade Bitcoin against other altcoins when you see an opportunity to do that. If not, then you stay in Bitcoin. Ever since I started doing this, I've saved myself lots of money, and I've made a lot of money. I mean, like profits, not profits, but I've been profitable, like in terms of building my portfolio. Let me say it that way. So I haven't been losing money, right? Okay. So looking at other coins, like Litecoins. I mean, guys, it's the same thing. Look at the downward movement. Look at the downside. The downside is huge, guys. It's huge, for these coins. And if say you are investing in this project and you see an opportunity like this, you don't sell. You don't have to sell right now. Now is not the time to sell. Now is the time to actually take advantage short term by buying. Then you can now you can sell when it gets to this resistance area, because if say you don't actually focus on those areas, then you might be getting involved in something that might end up destroying you long term, right? So let's say right now you're selling, which is going to be the opposite of like what you should be doing right now. Let's say right now you're selling. I mean, imagine that Binance start going to the upside, right? What will happen? You're gonna be liquidated, or you're gonna lose your money, right? But if say you are patient enough to like, okay, going to the lower time frame, you're gonna see that now is the time to actually zoom out and see what is the bigger picture. You can see here that ever since Binance have been falling to the downside, and we might as well see some sort of pullback to go and retest this area here, and this will happen when we see a cool down in the market. I'm going to see a cool down soon. Right. And the cooldown will be because Binance is a big platform and Binance is a big project. So you guys should, take all this knowledge that I'm sharing today to, to actually look at what you might expect the next, should I say, next 7 days, because the next 7 days will be really crucial for cryptocurrency. You want to be want to be in the right coins. For me, what I'm gonna be trading is I'm gonna be buying mostly um uh, Gala. I'm gonna look at Gala. I already have a trade on Gala, and I am gonna look at Litecoin. Litecoin is a coin that I'm buying as well. And also I'm looking at this coin. Um, what's the name of this coin? Arbitrum. Arbitrum also, I'm looking at Arbitrum because the upside for Arbitrum is amazing. Look at this upside here. It's amazing. And also I'm looking at actually, guys, XRP has been doing well. XRP is one of the coins that haven't really been, affected by all this. You can see the recovery here, which is cool. It's awesome. This is the 4 hours time frame. You can see because after that, before that, XRP was at around 55, and it came down to about 47, and we saw this buyback right up to about 52. So it's around 52 price range, which is good for those who are holding SRP. And guys, Renda also is a good coin that you can look at during this period in time. If you follow my platform, for the past days, you can see that I drew this trend line here for Renda. I think we're gonna see a bounce back. There's no reason why Renda should be where it is right now, if not of what is going on in the market. So I think if still Renda respect this trend line here, we're gonna keep seeing higher highs for Renda. So Renda is a coin that I'm looking at as well. I'm also looking at Atom also, ICP. Well, actually, I don't think ICP is a coin where I'm gonna be, but you guys can look at ICP. I mean, of course, we can trade ICP because it's one of the should I say, um, top project out there as per what they are saying. But to me, I think if say I'll have to do something, I'm gonna look at more at Atom. Atom also have this huge upside, so you can like trade Atom. So I mean, guys, almost every project out there have similar opportunity, but the ones that I think I want to be trading is what I mentioned. I also want to be trading this one Phantom, because I think Phantom has like this a huge upside opportunity for Phantom, and Phantom break this trend line that I drew here. So I don't know if say right now is the time to actually trade this coin, but I think we're gonna see some sort of pullback anyhow in the market. And if we see this pullback, then you want to be in these tokens that will give you massive upside movement. You can see Phantom is still trying to recover. If I like, let me change this to a different view, so I can get proper let me change this to a different view. Now, this is the 1 hour time frame. Let me go back. This is Gala. I don't know why it comes automatic. Let me go back to Atom. Let me see if this is Atom. No, this is Ocean. Let me go back to Atom. Actually, guys, Solana is also a project that I'm gonna be, looking at the buy opportunity. So you can check on Solana. If say you wanna get massive upside, Solana is also one. Yeah, you can see Atom is actually. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, it's already too late for Atom. Like those of you, if say you wanna buy Atom, I don't think it's now, except let me go to the 8 hour time frame so I can see clearly. Yeah, because we're gonna see anyhow some sort of pullback back towards that area that I mentioned. Yeah, so it can be at this zone here, and if say it breaks this zone, like if say it breaks this, let me use it. I don't know why this is, yeah. It can be at this zone here, and if say it breaks this resistance here, then it will go back to this area here. So if you are buying at Atom, if you're holding Atom, this is where you can expect like massive pullback, because we can see here, looking at my indicator, um this 20-day, 200-day moving average is still right up. So I think we might see some sort of retest of to that area, or if I even go to the daily time frame, right, we're gonna see that it's the same thing, right? We're gonna see some sort of pullback, yeah, and that's the area where you can either decide to get, like, to sell everything if, say, it doesn't hold, like, break above this zone here, this price range here, then you are getting out of Atom completely into Bitcoin. So make sure you do that. And let's go to, let's see, this is Phantom. I already check on Phantom. Avax also is a good coin. Okay, wow, look at this recovery here for Avax. Avax actually hasn't yet that recovered that much. You can see this sell, this is Avax BTC. So if, say, you are holding this is Avax trading against BTC, I think I have I have an order for this already on spot, Avax BTC, and I bought it at this point. So I think it has been giving me awesome profit recently, making me more Bitcoins. And I think I'm gonna, sell my Avax against Bitcoin when it gets to this area. I'm gonna sell it, or if, say, I see break from this zone here, this area here, because this is now a strong support. If I see breakout here, then I'm gonna just sell it and be in Bitcoin alone. Not going to stay in Avax if, say, Avax breaks this zone. Okay, I know it's coming back here. If I break that support, it's gonna come back to this um to this swing low zone here. You can see this long wick here. All right, guys, I think this is it for today. Let me not do so much. I've been streaming live now for 26 minutes. If you guys have some questions, you can post your questions. If you have any token that you want me to check right now, then do comment below that. Check this token, because I might have 3 more minutes before I go. So do that, just that, at this point in time. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited. This opportunity in the market to make money. Yeah, there's massive opportunity in the market to make money, guys. Trust me. You wanna be in the market right now, looking at short term pullback. And the token that I'm looking at right now, that I'm gonna be buying, trading is what I told you already, Phantom. I'm gonna be looking at Gala, Solana, um, which Atom as well. I think Atom, not Atom. Yeah, I have a whole list here of tokens that I like. You can see it. This is my look at my watch list here. There's so many of them. We have Sweatcoin, we have Carva. I'm just gonna be going through one by one to see, okay, which one is gonna give me an opportunity to trade. I go one by one, like to see SRP. And the way I do it, I look at on the lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. I want to see which coin haven't yet moved to the upside, and looking at where Bitcoin is, because I told you guys we have seen some sort of recovery with Bitcoin. When you look at let me go to the daily time frame. Not actually. Let me do this. Let me change this to I don't know why. Let me just do overview, so I can have a general overview of this. So looking at okay, this is Chapley. Chapley also is a coin that I am buying, and with this coin you can get it from OKX. No, you can get it from Bybit. And it's one of the AI coin that I trust in long term, and I have been trading this coin on spot. Bybit. So if you want to buy this coin, then the links are found below this video. Connect with me on Bybit, then you can buy this coin. You can look at the upside here for spot. You don't have to do leverage for this coin, just spot. And you're gonna see that the upside will be amazing for you. So do just that. I'm buying this. I'm also looking at, guys. I mean, this is Baby Dogecoin. Let me look at Baby Dogecoin for those of you who are holding Baby Dogecoin. Actually, Baby Dogecoin, there's let me go to the higher time frame. so we can see what is going on with our baby Doge. Actually, baby Dogecoin looks somehow. I mean, doing the like long term, I think it's good, but you don't want to be in baby Dogecoin right now. Be out of it. Even Floki, most of this altcoin, you want to be out of it right now, and you wait for some sort of pullback, right? In Bitcoin or like some sort of cool down. And when you see some sort of cool down, then you can start buying more. But as of now, you don't want to buy more of this token. Same with Floki. You just have to wait a little bit to see like if market cool down. Then of course Floki, is at a good zone to buy. If say I want to trade this, yeah, I can do this short term Floki, but not like to buy long term. You can see this is support here that we saw that price bounce from this support area here. So we can expect price to go back to retest this other this resistance here. There's a resistance here that we can expect price to go and yeah, you can see here. So you can trade Floki in this range. If say you are buying Floki, you can look at this range that if say Floki breaks to the downside, you want to sell. If say it breaks to the upside and hold, yeah, you want to buy more Floki. So I think this is how you can plan your trade, place everything for the long term, so you can make like take advantage of the market. All right, guys. I think this is it for today. Bitcoin will always stand to tall price. Let's see. Um, Penguin says Bitcoin will always stand tall. Right, a megaphone rainbow handle. Yeah, Bitcoin is the alpha, and Bitcoin is not going anywhere. And it's wise to be in Bitcoin. Those of you who are part of my community, you follow my strategy, then it will help you to make money in cryptocurrency, because Bitcoin is the alpha, the big daddy. Holding Bitcoin is gonna help you to actually be successful in this space. So I think long term we're gonna see massive success with crypto, Bitcoin, and other altcoin out there. So you guys can actually be rest assured that we're gonna make money in this space if say you are holding Bitcoin. If you're not holding Bitcoin, then you might be doing the wrong thing for yourself. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I think that's that. I've been live now for 32 minutes, so and I haven't gotten any question to check on any project. So I want to believe you guys are doing just fine. All right, guys. Have a nice day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.